I am on unboxing roll today. So far this is my third video of unboxing, and this video is unboxing of this mic, which is Boya BY-M1. Let's just open this, and I don't think I need a cutter. Okay. Reading shenanigans. I will read this. I like to read, even if I'm pretty sure I know how to use anything. I think it's nice to read at least once. Maybe there is something that I have no idea. A kind of nice pouch, which I don't know if I will be ever using this for that. Let's see what's inside this. And this is a clipper if you want to like attach your mic to your shirt or your jacket, whatever. And the reason I went with this mic because it's under $20. Let me check the price again. Yeah, at the moment of me recording this video, the price for this is $19.95 US, which is very, very cheap. And it has a really good rating. Like, it has 4-star, and 2100 plus people think it's 4-star worthy, and the price is only $19.95, means under $20, which is a really good deal. And I was not sure. First I was thinking to go with a high end, but then I was like, let's start with this, and maybe I don't need to spend a lot of money. And not only that it's very cheap, but I have learned from my research before deciding to go with this one that this is a great lavalier mic that you can clip onto your shirt or jacket, and you can also plug this into your mic jack on your camera. And another great thing about this is that not only that you can use this with your camera, but you can also use this with your smartphone, so you don't need to buy separate mic for your smartphone. So this is very versatile. If it's going to work with a smartphone, it needs 3 plugs, TRRS, and like these 3 lines. So you just need one microphone, and not only it's very versatile, and you just need this one that you can use with your camera and also with your smartphone, but it's also like under $20, so it's a steal. So this is great if you want to do like Instagram live or Facebook live or something like that. And I believe this cable is about, either it was 19 or 20 feet long. I will put the link to this mic in description down below. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.